Hi everybody, Margaret here. I want to show you how to do a salami rose. Perfect for any meat and cheese tray or charcuterie board or snack board. It's so easy. Check it out. All you have to do is get yourself a glass, a drinking glass. This is a 3-inch diameter and it makes a pretty good size rose. So what you're going to do is let your salami sit out on the counter for a few minutes. 10 minutes or so, maybe even a little bit longer isn't going to hurt it. You want it not to be ice cold from the fridge. You want it to be, just kind of chilled, but not super, super cold. And you do want to get sliced salami because it needs to be super, super thin. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to take it and fold it over the glass. And it's about even, right? It's evenly folded over. And you want to make sure that you've creased it really, really well. Keep it as tight to the glass as you can. And you're going to take a second piece, overlap it, like about half of it, maybe a third, and just kind of keep that one hugged tight. And keep on going around. Just keep overlapping and keeping them snug to the glass. See? And the next one kind of helps the other one hold on, but you really need to use your other hand to keep it secure. And then you just keep going round and round. And see, we're back where we started. Now, we want to keep layering these on top of each other, squeezing them to the glass as you fold it, and just overlap one on top of the next. So you just keep going round and round. Now the goal that we're after here is to go around so many times that the salami fills in that hole so that it pretty much makes a lid for the glass. So I'm going to keep going round and round, keeping it pinched with my other hand so the folds stay there as best as possible. And again, the salami sitting out for a few minutes really helps with this. Round and around. I'm going to need to dig some more out of the bag. Just keep on going around and around. I think it'd be fun to see how many salami slices this is. And I think it would also be kind of fun to do this on a wider mouth, kind of a bowl maybe. Let me get some salami out. Hope I have enough. So that it made a really big rose for the center of your meat and cheese tray or your charcuterie. And then you could just layer cheeses all around it, crackers. It would be the prettiest meat and cheese tray ever. We did this last night on my team's Zoom cook-along we do every month. And we showed this on a charcuterie board. And you'll see that here at the end of my video, how it looks on a charcuterie board. Super simple snack board. Okay, I'm running out of salami. Let's hope I have enough. I think my husband must have made a salami sandwich for lunch. I'm going to just start. So I've still got about a nickel size in there. I'm going to kind of fudge a little and just put them toward the center. There, I'm just going to make do. I've got an empty bag, so it's got to work. Okay, so the goal is to make it so that you've got this lid on the jar. Now, I've seen some people take their hand and put it into their hand, but I am not clever enough to do that. So I take a little plate, put the plate over the top, invert it, and then carefully lift off. And you've got a beautiful salami rose. Oh my gosh, I hope this is something you guys will enjoy making for your holiday meat and cheese trays and charcuterie boards. This would be perfect for Christmas Eve. It would be perfect for New Year's Eve. All kinds of things. I absolutely love making food look pretty. And when it is as easy as a glass and a pack of salami, how much easier does it get? Happy holidays, everyone. Bye now.